Welcome to MathLab. Today, you're on your journey to discover pie charts. What is a pie chart? A pie chart is a circular frequency diagram using sectors whose angles at the center are proportional to the frequency. Thus, a pie chart consists of a circular region partitioned into disjoint sectors or sections, with each sector representing a part or percentage of the whole. A pie chart shows how many parts are related to the whole. This is an example of a pie chart. You can see how the monthly budget of a family is divided into different sectors. The central angles of each sector is proportional to the expense. Thus, each sector is a part of the total budget. In a pie chart, the various observations or components are represented by the sectors of a circle, and the whole circle represents the sum of the values of all the observations or components. The total angle of 360 degrees at the center of the circle is divided according to the values of the observation. Thus, to calculate the central angle for any observation, we find the value of the component divided by the total value into 360 degrees. This formula helps you find the central angle for any observation. This table shows the monthly budget of a family. The expenses for different items are shown. The total budget is rupees 12,000. How will we find the central angle for each item? The central angle for food is given by the expense for food, that is 4,500, divided by the total expense, that is 12,000, into 360 degrees. This is equal to 135 degrees. Using this formula, we can find the central angles for all the items. Central angle for clothing is 60 degrees, for rent is 45 degrees, for education is 15 degrees, miscellaneous 75 degrees, and savings is 30 degrees. If you add all the total angles, it will add to 360 degrees. How will you represent this data? Use the cutouts of the pie chart that you are provided to represent the data. If you look carefully at the picture of the circle you are provided, the central angle between any two markings is equal to 5 degrees. To represent the expenses for food, I need to have a central angle of 135 degrees at the center. To represent clothing, I need 60 degrees at the center. Using the marking from where the sector for expenses for food ended, I can measure 60 degrees to represent clothing. Using this, you can make your pie chart to represent the monthly budget of this family. This is how your chart will look. Have fun discovering pie charts.